Hey guys, it's XP Dale and the Muffler Man. We back out one of our old spots we pounded to death. Thought we'd try it out again. First signal I got here, I got me a drop 3 ringer. Showed up a 90 on the desk. Usually they show up about 82. That's a good start though. We'll see you at the next hole. Alright fellas, my next find here is like maybe an old buckle or something, I don't know. Horse tack probably. Hey guys, I got another drop 3 ringer. I actually found another one a while ago, but we had some kids down here all up under, so I didn't film it. And Muffler Man up there, he found a part of a gun strap. He's still digging away up there, looking for them little signals up there. There's the homeowner we got permission from. Alright guys, it's XP Dale here. Found me a new foundation. I hunted about an hour yesterday, found a bunch of junk, but lots of shotgun shells. But come back today, got a couple hours before dark. And, right here inside where the house was, in pile of rocks right there, that was a chimney. That's all that's left of the house. But first good find I got, I believe I got me a token. I ain't cleaned it up yet, but I ain't about a mile from coal mine, so me clean it up. It's probably $1 token. Me clean it up and see, and I'll get back with you. It is $1 token. Don't want to clean it up too much right now, because some of these are made out of pewter and they'll break right in half on you. Some of them made out of copper. It depends on how old they are, I reckon. But that's a good find. I'll take that any day right there. See you at the next hole. I'm having a good day, fellas. Got me another $1 token. Got me another $1 token. I know that's $1, so I'll clean it up later. Sweet. Awesome. Alright, here in my next hole, I got me a heel tap. Toe tap. Well, still got leather in it. But it's down there, up under that rock. Under deep. Just keep a looking. Alright, my next find is going to be another heel tap. House is up there on top of that bank right there. They piled up these rocks down here where they cleared for farming. Alright guys, next find here, I come back over this chimney here, and pretty deep find. Got that old iron. You know, they set it on the stove to get it warm. Found it right here in the chimney pile. It's pretty neat. Just dread carrying it out here. Alright fellas, still right here by his chimney. I got a crappy signal. Dug down, got a nail out of the hole, and the signal got better. And looked like got me another $1 token. I'll clean it up later, but that's what's going to be, $1 token. Love around us in the hole. Alright, I'm still digging in the same hole. Got a nice little 4-eye button out there. Got that handle there off something there. Got it out of the same hole too. Hit the token and nail and button out of the same hole right here. I love that desk. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little wrap up here. I lost a bunch of my video, I reckon. I wound up with 5 tokens. Got $3 tokens and 2 10-cent tokens. And harmonic reeds. Got no knife handle there. Got a couple heel taps and clock part and a wiring. Got this Get a little flat button, or not flat button, 4-eye button. First spot went to there, found dropped 3 ringers by giving to the homeowner's grandson. Muff man, he found a piece off of a gun strap and a barrel band, but didn't get it on film. But anyway, at the end of this film here, I'm gonna show my buddy's find. He got a CSA belt buckle. So stay tuned and watch it.
Alright guys, H-Digger here. I'm in a spot I've been only 2 times. Found a lot of good stuff, and I just popped my best find ever to date. CSA buckle. Right there. All 3 hooks. Oh my. Great day. Holy cow.